convert Telugu text to Tamil pronunciation using AI. This project showcases how we developed a Telugu-to-Tamil transliteration tool using Python, OCR, Tesseract, and AI-based transliteration. Unlike traditional translation, this tool preserves the Telugu word pronunciation while representing it in Tamil script. How it works. Step 1. Upload a Telugu text image, camera. Step 2. Extract text using Tesseract OCR. Step 3. Convert each Telugu letter to its Tamil phonetic equivalent, Latin alphabet. Step 4. Display output in a structured table, bar chart. Technologies used: Python, core programming language Tesseract OCR, extract text from images Flask, web interface for user uploads Google Transliteration API, converts Telugu letters to Tamil script Bootstrap and HTML, front-end for user-friendly UI OpenCV, image processing for better text recognition key features, accurate OCR-based text extraction supports handwritten and printed Telugu text converts Telugu pronunciation to Tamil script user-friendly web interface fast and lightweight solution. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe for more AI and NLP projects.